Hi YouTubers, this is my Dewalt radio conversion with one of the car adapters to USB, but it's a lorry one as well. It does 24 volt to 12 volt. What you need to do, you need to take out all the screws at the back of the radio, take the battery out first, all the batteries out, all the screws out, and then the front comes off, and then you'll see a connection at the back of the radio with a positive and negative. You need to solder the adapter, cut off the plug that comes for your cigarette lighter, and then solder the two wires onto the connectors at the back. Drill a small hole through, put it through, put a Velcro strip underneath and stick that on top of the radio. And then on the side you need to put a fuse unit, and you need to put an on and off switch, enable you to switch it on and off, so if anything blowing. They're all bought from Maplins. I'll show you it working. That's the switch switched on. Now the USB works on its own. You can plug almost anything into the USB. This is a small computer light. As you can see, it's working fine. You can plug in your iPad or your mobile phone off an adapter. As you can see, it comes on and it's charging straight away. That's showing you the USB adapters. And also the advantage of this one is they've got two switches on them as well. Well, the two switches, that one and that one, are for the back ports on the radio, which enables you, as you can see, to plug in a cigarette lighter connector, and that will give you to adapt any light fitting, which can be switched on and off the switches, as you can see. And then of course you've got the radio itself, which still operates. I'm going to tune it into a station in the aerial. As you can see, it's tuned in, and you can still have the switches on and off. I have modified the aerial because it gives me a better signal when I can't pick up certain radio places. That's just a small modification on the aerial, but as you can see, everything works fine with the radio still on. Go to the side again, switch it off, and then you can just switch your radio off. The modification cost about 15 quid. All in all, that's with the switches. That's £10 from Maplins. And then you just got to solder it all in yourself. But you must take out the battery when you do anything at the back. And it's still, with this one, you can still plug it in and charge the battery up as well, which is an advantage, which can be plugged in to the supply and still run your switches, providing you leave your battery in. And that's all the modification. Thanks for watching.